Hey everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And once again, you guessed it, a great topic for me to talk about. And what it is today is what a property manager's role is during a sale. Okay, so when you're selling your house, what does the property manager have to do with that? Now, many realtors, unfortunately, try to take advantage of the property manager during the sale process. But a good one will quickly put them in check and let them know what the realtor's role is and what the property manager's role is. So in a nutshell, okay, the property manager finds out that you're selling the house. What they should do is provide the tenant contact info, the leases, the ledgers, and any other property-related documentation. Now, it could be maintenance. It could be eviction matters. Whatever it is, they give everything to the realtor, answer any questions about that, and that's it. They're done. They stand by as a liaison in the event that something comes up, perhaps maintenance to be fixed, or there's a tenant issue. Whatever it may be, they stand by. Okay? They're not in the front. Now, the realtor has to set up appointments for showings, set up appointments for inspectors, for smoke certifications, insurance inspectors, whatever it may be, okay? Even the home inspector. These are all functions of the realtor. The property manager is not on the hook to open the door for the realtor to show prospective buyers. But unfortunately, they try to make us, okay? But that's not the case. You want to keep your manager separate from your realtor because it's completely different functions. 100%. A realtor does sales and a property manager does rentals. So you don't want to mix those and you don't want to get them confused. So once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.